I think you have to first put it on pilot, right? To light it, you have to first put it on pilot.
Mm-hmm.
It's only light if it's on pilot, I think. So it first goes on uh, pilot.
So keep it.
No, first pilot. Let's see. Yeah, you turn
This
it
one.
to turn it to pilot,
And push
and
this,
then
right?
push. Yes.
Just push
Yeah, just push. Yeah.
and keep it.
Keep pressing, meaning once until it lights. No, release. Just we actually maybe we should see the window. If you open the window down, if you open this
Mm-hmm.
to see if it's lighting. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Yes. If you maybe if you see the window of the gas. Maybe you can look through the. No, you just release. You don't keep it pressed. Can you see the blue light flame?
Here?
No, in through the window.
No.
Okay, maybe I'll try.